How to delete community in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll demonstrate how to delete a community in WhatsApp. If you've created a community and you no longer need it, or if you have mistakenly created one, I'll show you how to delete it in this video. First, open your WhatsApp and access to the community chat. Once there, click on Manage Community. If you sent a message to the community and you don't see this option, click on Community Info instead. Next, open the community group and scroll down to find the Deactivate Community option. Click on it, read through the information, and then click Deactivate to confirm. The community will be successfully deleted, but the group will remain as a creating community on WhatsApp. I'll show you how to delete the group. Click on the group, then go to the profile name, scroll down, and click on Delete Group. Before doing these two things, remember that you must be an admin. If you're not the admin of the group or the community, you won't be able to delete them. Once confirmed, both the group and the community will be deleted. This is how you can delete a community in WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.